Your garden holds the magic to become more than just an outdoor space. It can be a cozy retreat rich with personality, warmth, and harmony. With a few creative DIY touches, you don't just save money, you experience the joy of crafting something with your own hands. As you decorate, you slow down, breathe deeply, and reconnect with the natural world around you. Every handmade detail tells a story, and thoughtful arrangements bring out the beauty in your existing greenery, shaping an atmosphere that is uniquely yours. The beauty of DIY decor lies in its freedom. No need for expensive materials. Sometimes the best supplies are hiding in your attic, backyard, or the nearest hardware shop. Old wood planks or ballards become rustic planters or quaint fences. Natural stones and pebbles create timeless walkways or dry stream beds. Painted tires turn into cheerful planters, and flexible branches from elegant arches for flowering vines to climb. Give forgotten objects a second life. Painted jars can glow as lanterns or holding flickering candles. Crates become vertical herb gardens or mobile flower beds. Even old ceramics and plastic containers can be transformed into charming patio displays. The key is to look at old items with new eyes, seeing not what they were, but what they can become. You can fill quiet corners with decorative pots, vivid planters, and textured accents. Old window frames, iron pieces, or repurposed panels add vintage soul and layered beauty. Small sculptures made of cement, wire, or clay bring a handcrafted artistic vibe to your space. Arranging textures, colors, and elements become more than just decoration. It's a peaceful, creative escape. Your garden transforms into a living canvas, changing with the seasons, filled with your energy. Even repainting an old bench or hanging a birdhouse can uplift the entire space and your spirit too. DIY garden decor is not just practical, it is deeply personal and emotionally rewarding. With simple tools and a bit of imagination, you can craft a sanctuary filled with joy, creativity, and comfort. From repurposed trays and handmade features to blooming flower beds and cozy corners, your garden becomes a reflection of you. And once you start, it becomes a journey you will want to continue, season after season. this is not just a backyard anymore. It is your peaceful escape, a place of calm, a garden with a soul, and everyone who visits will feel it too. I hope you like this video. For more videos, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon on. See you in some other video. Till then, take care.